Hey, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? It is your boy Johnny, and today we have a new product that was sent to me by LDNIO. So I'm actually not sponsored by them, but full disclosure, they did send me this product for review for free, so that way I can show it to you guys on my channel. So this is a high quality 120 watt 4-port USB-C and USB-A type of charger. Basically, it's a high quality charger that goes up to 120 watts. And if you know that, that's a lot, believe it or not. That's something that will charge your stuff pretty quick depending on your device. If your device is compatible with fast charging, it's really, really, really good. And also, if you have a MacBook or something like that, similar laptop that takes USB-C charge, this is perfect because it's like a really small charger that will charge your laptop. Now, I know bigger laptops probably won't charge it, but if you have a laptop that does USB-C, like MacBooks, sometimes you can actually charge them with this type of charger. And 120 watt is a lot. And the good thing about it is that it's a really small device and it has a really high power output. So as you guys can see, it has multiple connection, and it says it's fire resistant and it's easy for carriage. So for traveling, this might be something of a good scenario. So let's go ahead and open it up and see how it actually looks. It has some more information on the back as well. 100 watt max, depending on what you're using. 18 watt max. So for the USBs, 100 and the USB-C. So the USB-C is the one that's going to take most of it. So the USB 1 and 2 might be a little bit less. But let's go ahead and open this product. Oh my gosh, I always mess up the opening of these products. I really need to invest in something so I can open it up better. So yeah, it's kind of heavy. I'm not gonna lie. It's like a power block, and it's kind of heavy. I'm not gonna lie. Wow, it feels like one of those heavy batteries or something. But it's really small. It's not super big. It's just heavy. All right. So as you guys can see, it has the place where you can connect it, and in the front is the USB-C 1 and USB-C 2. Those are the ones that are going to get the most power out of it. And then it has your USB A2 and A1, the regular standard ones, which still gets a pretty good amount, 18 watts. So that's essential if you have like an iPhone. 18 watts is pretty quick, believe it or not. I think I had a 15-watt charger that charged everything pretty quick. But if you have USB-C, that's also a better charger. And it's a simple power cord. It's really not that bad at all. So I really do like the design of it. It is a pretty neat little product. I am going to test out to see how fast it charges. After using the 120 watt LDNIO, I have to say that this device is very solid. I connected my iPhone and it started charging really quick. Well, it's expected since it's 120 watts of a device, even though my iPhone only takes like 27 watts for charge on the USB port, but it charges really good. If you're looking for a really fast charger, I highly recommend you have this. It's a little station that you can put in your workstation. Sometimes you just need a charge device, iPads, laptops like MacBooks that accept charging with the USB-C. I think it's a solid product. If you're looking for one out in the market, I would definitely recommend it. I personally never had one. This is the first time that I actually got one by LD Neo. So I think it's definitely worth your money if you're looking for one. 120 watts is pretty strong when it comes to charging devices. Now I will say that it is a small device, but compared to other ones, I would say that it's pretty neat. It just really has a neat design, and it has the GON 3 fast charger as well. So that might be the reason why it's a little bit more expensive. But right now, if there is a coupon on Amazon, I believe that it can actually save you $10. So it comes out like $59.99 with taxes. I'll be putting the link in the description where you can actually buy it. But 100-watt chargers are kind of in the similar price range of that. So yeah, it's definitely a good charger though. I definitely recommend it if anyone actually needs one. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to have a nice day and peace out.